Do you want to set up system time and language on a TP-Link router? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Changing system language and setting system time on a TP-Link router. The router's default language is set to English. When you change this setting, the web management interface will display in the selected language. The system time shown is the current operating time of the router. This configured time will be used for time-based features like parental controls. You can choose how to set the system time according to your needs. Now here is how to change these. Method 1. Changing system language. Visit http://tplinkwifi.net and log in with your TP-Link ID or the password. Next, head to Advanced, then select System. Now you should find the Time and Language option. Select that. From the drop-down list, select the preferred language. Click on the Save button. Method 2. Set time and date manually. To set the time and date manually, navigate to the Set Time field. Then select Manually. Now set the date in the mm/dd/yyyy format and the time in hh/mm/ss format. Once done, save the settings. Method 3. Set daylight saving time. To set daylight saving time, navigate to the Daylight Saving Time section. Then check the box next to Enable. Select the starting date and ending date. Once done, click on Save for the changes to take place. Method 4. Enable the 24-hour format. You can enable the 24-hour time if you want to display the time in a 24-hour way. Go to the Set Time field and set it to Get from Internet. From Time Zone, select your local time zone from the drop-down menu. Enter the domain name or the IP address of the NTP server you want to set. Next, you can enter the domain name or IP address of another NTP server if you want. This should help you easily change the system language and set the system time on your TP-Link router. This is optional, so you can skip it. Once done, click on the Save option. If you want to get time from your computer device, then in the Set Time field, choose the Get from Managing Device option. Click on Save once done. And there you have it, the method to change system time and language on a TP-Link router. We hope one of the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video.